Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO Find X5 Lite. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Firefox browser. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now we can customize it, so choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices, and here lastly read the privacy notice. When everything is done, click on Start Browsing, visit any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.